Okay, gusto mong mag-glow up pero wala masyadong budget. O ito na, low budget pogi tips. Iiwasan ko na yung obvious tulad ng pag-inom ng tubig and getting 8 hours of sleep. First mong gawin, palitan mo yung bed cover and pillow cover mo every week. Men, dirty sheets can lead to bad odor kasi kumakapit yun. O kaya pimples and acne. Pangalawa, figure out what kinds of food trigger your acne. Pwedeng sugar, dairy, o kaya oily food. Mapapansin mo naman yan. Subukan mo lang kainin yung mga bagay na yun na wala masyadong halong iba, maybe for 3 to 5 days. Pag nagka-breakouts ka on a specific food, baka yun talaga yung nag-trigger. 3. Stop touching your face. Para isipin mo, sa araw-araw, ano-ano ba yung mga nahawakan mo? Don't scratch your eyes, rub your nose, or even lay on your hand. This is a good way of avoiding pimples. Pang-apat, yung amoy sa kwarto mo, kumakapit yun sa'yo. So pwede kang bumili ng humidifier o kaya scented candles. Maraming affordable options dyan. Basta mga pre, keep your environment clean. You'll thank me later. Lastly, aside from brushing your teeth, mag-floss ka. Pero sa totoo lang, dentists recommend flossing every single day. Yung mga pagkain na iipit sa gitna ng ngipin mo, yun yung nakakabaho eh. So make sure to floss it para matanggal yun. This helps your brushing and keeps your breath fresher every day. Alright, peace!